Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add background music in Camtasia. Let's get started. First, open your Camtasia and import two videos and drag them into the timeline. Now if you want to add a background music behind this video, simply click on this plus icon and select Import Media. Then select your music from your device. Then simply drag into the timeline below your video, or you can also put it above the video. Here you can hear the audio from the background of the video. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.